Welcome again to Natural Living by Enovi on YouTube. Here I show you in video number 15 how to make the Jamaican fruitcake, which is what we have at Christmas. It is very famous and we add rum to. So we start by creaming the butter and the sugar. Then we add our eggs and then we cream that until it's nice and fluffy. Then we add our flour with all the spices and then the soaked fruits and the browning, and we test it to ensure it has the right texture and test again to ensure it's baked. Then we put it on our platter and then we add our wine and rum again to preserve it. And here I'm having a slice and it's so delicious with a nice texture. And there we are, our delicious rum fruit Jamaican black cake. Check it out, video number 15 on my